I can't believe I have to write this report for social studies tomorrow. It's going to take all night. Well, I'd better get started. Oh, why isn't this turning on? It never works anymore. I'm going to call Geek Squad. Hello, is this Geek Squad? Yeah, my computer's not working again. Can you come out today and fix it? You can't come out till next Wednesday? That's impossible. I have a report due tomorrow. Ugh, fine. I'm not ever calling your company again. Ugh, what am I going to do?
Poof! Are you having computer troubles?
Yeah.
Then have I got the typewriter for you.
What's a typewriter?
It's a typewriter, silly.
Isn't that from the Dark Ages?
The hippie ages, but close enough. You are the proud owner of a shiny blue Smith-Corona Typewriter.
Who are you?
I'm Anika Samari, the genie of all typewriters. But anyway, you just insert the paper, like so. Then you put this little silver thing down on top of it, and you can type.
Oh wow, that's really easy. Can I try?
Mm-hmm. Plus, you don't need a monitor or a printer.
Oh wow, this is really easy. I think I'll have to try this for my report. Do you have another piece of paper?
Right there. And like that, you're almost done.
Yep, I am done.
Plus, it never freezes up, and you don't have to install any programs.
Wow, that was really easy. Thank you.
Don't forget to tell everybody on your face. Bye.
I won't. The Smith-Corona Typewriter, the only typewriter of its class.